Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Run Fit Mama, and today we have a very special guest.
Emma.
So Emma loves pin videos on YouTube, especially the Disney unboxing ones. So I promised her that we would do a couple of pins. Well, hang on. First, yeah, you can show, but just hang on one second. So first we wanted to show you some pins that we ordered. So we did, for her birthday, I did order her a mystery box. So we did get 2 pins from that one. It's from the new Princess Collection.
Got this one.
So
right.
Hold it right there. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So it's Snow White.
Snow White.
And then the second we got was
Rapunzel.
so pretty. Which one's your favorite? Snow White or Rapunzel?
Mostly I like Snow White.
I know we really wanted Ariel. So those were the 2 we got from the mystery pin set that I ordered online. We have a friend in Hong Kong, I'll link her Instagram below, who I sometimes buy pins from, only if I really, really love them.
Yeah, that's what it's all about.
Yes, that's what it's all about. So we got this really cute Stella Lou pin from Hong Kong. From Hong Kong in Disneyland. And it's really cute because it's like a little, it's like a little snow globe. So that's just a really fun one that we have. We kind of started collecting pins when we started going as a family, and it's just kind of nice every time we get one to just kind of commemorate it. So now my rule is we buy it if we think it's very special. It's just kind of something kind of fun we can do together. So you want to show them the next one?
Yeah.
This is also from Hong Kong. Careful, careful.
So this is what it looks like.
This is a little Valentine's one with Pooh and Piglet.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down nice and gentle. So this next one we also got from Hong Kong Disneyland from my friend, and I am not a normal like Sleeping Beauty person or collector. I did, however, buy this one because I just thought it was really pretty, and I'm kind of a sucker for when the princesses are in their like village dresses. So for example, this Briar Rose dress I just think is really, really pretty. So it was limited edition and it's for the 60th anniversary, so I thought, why not? Do you want to show them this one?
Yeah.
Here, let's get out of the package. So this I found on eBay and actually saw on someone else's YouTube video. And
this is what it looks like.
It's Marie at the French Market. And what I really like about this series, it's limited edition, but what's in the bubble, Emma?
It's a piece of the chair and it's Disneyland.
Yeah, and who's on the pin?
Marie.
Marie, yeah, she's at the French Market. If any of you have been to Disneyland, you know that French Market is really good. It's one of my favorite places. Yeah, and in the little bubble, so all of these different pins, I really want the Dumbo one, but it's expensive on eBay. But in the little bubble there's a piece of the chair. So it's really cool. It's called A Piece of Disney Resort History, and on the back it just talks about the French Quarter. So I think that's it for the things that we bought. Out of everything we bought online, what did you like the best? Do you like the Pooh and Piglet?
Well, mostly I like these.
Do you like those again? You want to show them again one more time? So we did the Princess Mystery Box. We got, oh, that's a better focus. Yeah, we got Snow White, which I really like that one. And we got Rapunzel. So that was like a little fun birthday treat we did. Okay, so now on to the main event. I know Emma's been very excited. You can go ahead and talk about it, honey.
So this is what we bought. And on the back, it shows different kind of bits. I'm really hoping for Ariel.
Which ones do we already have that we got at Disneyland?
So we got Jasmine and we got Cinderella.
Yeah, we did.
So let's open it.
Oh, I guess you're just gonna rip that right open. Oh, okay. Do you want me to help you open the bags?
I might have got it. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I won't look.
So don't look. Scoot closer to me. Yeah, I haven't even looked either, okay? Open your eyes. Now flip it over. What is it? Who is that?
Aurora.
Okay, show
so
them.
This is what we got. Well,
That's really pretty.
let's see the next.
And forgive our lighting. Apparently it's cloudy now, so. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I hope it's not a repeat. Okay, open. What is it? Tell me.
Rapunzel.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, show the camera. That's a really good one. We still didn't get Ariel, but that's okay.
Yeah.
But if you notice,
At least we didn't get Gobbles.
all the little frames are so pretty. Like these have the 3 fairies and the crown.
Oh yeah.
Pretty, huh? This one, it's the Tower and Pascal. So really pretty. So
What's Pascal?
I think he's on there. He's right there.
I don't see him. Show me.
Of everything we have, Emma, which one's your favorite
Alright.
for this little pin haul we did?
Alright. My most favorite is this one.
Which one is that? Aurora?
Yeah.
That's pretty. Let's show them. So this is Emma's pick. It's Aurora. It's really pretty with the little
I
fairies.
really like the box.
Yeah, the box is nice.
Yeah.
So I think
This
my
is the,
favorite,
like, Ariel.
I think my
with it.
favorite is the French Market one. Just because Marie's so cute and I love the French Market. Who doesn't? But okay, that's it for our little mini pin haul. I'm excited to see what we'll get in the next couple months. I'm sure we'll get a couple more pins here and there. But thank you so much for watching.
Bye!
You want to say subscribe,
Subscribe!
hit the bell, do all those fun things,
Yeah,
and we'll
yeah.
see you next time. Bye.